I have shown how to add dimension in the previous tutorial. So to edit dimension, go to dimension value, double click on it. You have the dialog box. You can change the value from 80 to probably something bigger, 120, and press enter. Or double click the dimension, press 125 and click here. Okay, so let me edit this dimension for another example. So 80, to change the unit from millimeter, you can just click, just navigate here, don't click, and then you can pick your unit from here. If I want it to be in centimeter, it will be bigger. So let me click, it's 80 centimeter now, and then click this mark. Now you see what we have. We have it 80 millimeter being converted, 80 centimeters being converted into 800 millimeter. So I'm going to change it back to millimeter. So I'm going to suppress 80 and change the unit from millimeter centimeter to millimeter. Do we have it there? Yes, we have it there. And it's going to come back to normal size. So that's how to change dimension in SolidWorks. So I'll also show you how to add unit. Initial and the default unit of this part is millimeter. So if you want to change it, come to unit box here. If you can see it, click this unit box, and then we have option to pick from. We have IPS. You can select CGS, which simply means centimeter, grams, and seconds. So I can change from millimeter to meter, kilogram, and seconds. Now, if now it will leave this sketch because that unit is no longer working for this. So to enter this sketch again, let me use this opportunity to show you that. Just click sketch and then enter sketch. So now the unit has been converted from millimeter to meter. Now you have it, instead of 80, you have it to be 0.8, 0.08. So it has been converted. So we are going to stop here now.